In the past, if you want to receive a US dollar payment, you need to open a US dollar account with an initial deposit as much as this. But today, I'm going to show you the quickest way on how you can receive US dollar payment straight to your GCash. Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante and today we're going to talk about GCash virtual US dollar account. So this is the latest offering from GCash and this allows you to receive US dollar payments to your GCash account without needing to put up initial deposits or maintaining a balance. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you how to create your GCash virtual US dollar account. So here are the list of qualifications for account opening. Number one, you need to have a fully verified GCash account. Number two, you must be a Philippine resident who is 18 years old or older. Number three, you must have a complete GCash profile with good account standing. And number four, you must have a Philippine government issued valid ID. Now, once you have all those requirements, let's go ahead, open your GCash app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on US account. If you don't see it in the main window, you can tap on View All and then choose US account. Tap Continue. And go ahead and review the information. And if any of those information are no longer active or outdated, be sure to tap the pencil icon to update your information and provide the latest information about yourself. Scroll up to reveal the other tick boxes and then tap on Proceed. Tick the box to certify that you are not a US citizen, then tap Continue. Tap on another Continue. Then tap I agree. Review your information and then tap Looks good if there are no other changes. Provide your employment details. Then tap on the drop down to choose the expected monthly US dollar deposit and also tap the drop down to your employment status, then fill out your occupation. When all info looks good, tap Continue and then tap Let's go to get started with ID submission. Make sure that you are in a well-lit room and that there are no reflection or glare when you are taking a photo of the ID card. So for this one, I'm making use of my driver's license. And for driver's license, you have to take a photo of the front and the back side of your ID. The next step is to take a selfie. So make sure to position your face within the oval and then tap the shutter button to capture a photo. Wait for the processing to complete, and once the submission is successfully submitted, tap Continue. Wait for a few moments and voila, you now have a US dollar virtual account. Be sure to take note of the charges. That will be $15 for wire transfer and it will be free if you're going to make use of the ACH transfer. But take note that this will take 1 to 3 business days. And from here, you can go ahead and tap on Go to US Account Details. On your US virtual account, tap on the I icon or the information icon, and that will reveal your account details. Copy the account information and save it for your future reference. And that's it. You can now use those details to receive dollar payments and withdraw directly from your GCash account. In the next video, I'll show you how to link your GCash virtual US account with Upwork. So be sure to subscribe and let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.